honest. Have you ever told yourself, I'll feel good enough only when I lose some weight? Oh my god, I just don't like the way I look right now. Or I'll feel worthy when I make more money. Or I'll feel whole when I'm loved the way I want to. Right now, no. I don't know. It's just not enough what I have. But the truth is that if you keep chasing this enoughness, it will never come to you. You will never find it. Because enough is not something you can achieve as a target, it's something you practice every day. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today we are diving into one of the most important practices one can ever learn, the practice of enoughness. Because if we don't train our mind to believe that we already are enough, no achievement, no relationship, no milestone will ever make us feel complete. So let's talk about 5 simple but very powerful ways to practice this enoughness daily and finally feel complete and whole right now and not later. Number 1, start with awareness. That's the first step. So every time you hear yourself saying, I'll feel enough when, I'll be happy when, this whenever you hear yourself using this, just notice this and cut yourself there and then. Awareness is the first step to breaking the cycle of conditional worth. Secondly, create daily worthy affirmations for yourself, because if you're somebody who really, has this coming into your mind a lot, then affirmations will really be a big help to you. So, replace all your old scripts, reframe them, because this helps you rewire your subconscious mind. Every time you think, I'll be happy when, I'll feel enough when, I'll be satisfied when, just replace the old script with a new script, which would be something like, I am happy to have this, I am grateful to have this, I am enough as I am, my worth is not up for debate, I am worth it. So just reframe all your pessimist and negative phrases that you use for yourself with positive ones. Speak these affirmations daily. Write these affirmations down if you have to. Stand in front of a mirror and enact them. When you embody them, they become a part of you. So embody them. Number 3, celebrate small wins. Pause to acknowledge these little victories that we get every day of our lives. Even if it's achieving a small thing, reaching somewhere at the right time, showing up for somebody, trying again, resting for an extra 10 minutes that day, everything counts. They all prove that, you're already enough. So celebrate each and every small win every day of your life. Number 4, practice receiving without earning. When somebody compliments you, and this is so common that most of us, we know how to compliment, but we do not know how to receive compliments. Every time somebody compliments you, just say thank you instead of brushing off that compliment. Don't say, oh, don't be silly, this is not true. If somebody tells you that you're a very good cook, you've cooked something very well, don't brush it off saying that, oh, this is just normal, I haven't done anything special. Learn to receive your compliments. If somebody tells you you're looking great, say thank you instead of saying, really, I don't know, I really didn't think so. Don't say all that. Just say a big thank you. Receive without feeling the need to earn something. This will help you believe that you deserve things, and that will rewire your subconscious mind. Number 5, anchor into presence. Ask yourself, in this moment, right here, right now, without changing anything, are you still feeling whole? The answer will always be yes. Trust me. If you do not get your negative thoughts in between, the answer will always be yes, because every day of our life, believe it or not, we are achieving something. Every breath we take is an achievement also. It's something to be grateful also. So enoughness lives in presence. It does not live in perfection. You don't have to be perfect to feel that now you have enough of something. You just have to feel satisfied. You have to feel grateful. You have to see how far you have come from then to now. So the next time you hear that whisper in your mind saying you're not enough, just take a pause, take a deep breath, and smile, because you already are enough and you have to know that. And the more you practice enoughness, the more your soul will actually start believing it. So, well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Flight to Fulfillment. If you resonated with me, if you enjoyed this today, like, comment, share it with somebody who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Flight to Fulfillment, on either YouTube or Substack or Spotify or Apple, wherever you're more comfortable, so that you don't miss a single dose of these daily nuggets that I'm bringing in for you. Until next time, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now, but telling you to please believe in yourself, because you are enough. Love you all. Bye-bye.